Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you how to download videos off of YouTube for free. Well guys, first hop on Google, type in 4K download. Come over here, press on download for PC. It will send you to a link which you can start downloading. Press over the free download. And now it will start downloading. After it finishes downloading, just double click on this and then accept, install. There's gonna be pop-up, accept this. And I got onto this downloading. I'm saying for my sister's birthday. So if you subscribe, I'll be really happy. Okay guys, now that you did that, just come to Google. Open up a browser, just say YouTube, hop on YouTube, and just type in what, let's say, I'm gonna do RoniExplains video, right? Now come, I say share, I copy this link, and I just paste it over here with Control V. It's just downloaded the video that I want. It's really fast guys. As all I downloaded, you can download 10 videos in only one day, so be careful. After you have done that, just press on the file thing, and your video will be downloaded. You can double click on it, watch the video, do anything you want with it. And this is the end of the video guys. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Have a great day.